I don't maintain 3 chickens, I maintain 200 chickens. People have a few animals and the animal dies, and it's a big concern, right? Because media would have you believe that the avian flu is going to kill all your stuff, and the swine flu, and you need to all these vaccinate, right? You know what happens when you don't listen to the media? Nothing bad really happens to you, and you have a lot more free time and a lot more clarity of mind. So people have like a few birds and it dies, or they have a rabbit die. I have hundreds. I probably have over 1,000 animals on the property. I mean, something dies here all the time. We just don't worry about it. If we had a bunch of them die, we would pay attention, right? We would figure that out.
Man, I'm talking about realest, one of the realest to try. My family, SOE, got